Hi everyone, this is an Excel sheet, and in this session I'll show you how to connect with Microsoft Access database, or in other words how to import the data from Microsoft Access database into an Excel file. Go to data menu, from Access, click on this one. Now you need to select the database itself, okay, and then select the database, or definitely wherever the database is lying there. So now you can see, select how you want to view this data in your workbook, as a table, as a pivot table, report, pivot chart. Only create connections, so later on you can utilize the data in whichever way you want to have it. Existing worksheet or new worksheet. So click on properties, you can see the properties also. Connection name you can change. If you want to have the connection name, you can change the connection name as well. So at this time we'll just press OK. Wow, so here you can see whatever records we were having in our Microsoft Access database, we have it here as well. Now do remember one thing, that if you want to change the connection properties or do whatever, if you want to change the table even, go to data, connections, and here you can see this is a connection name. Click on properties, and here you can see enable background refresh, or refresh every 60 minutes. Means if your Excel sheet is open and there are some changes in the Excel database, so after 60 minutes automatically it will refresh the data and pull the data from Microsoft Access database. Click on definition, so here you can see this is the connection file. Now this is the interesting thing, connection string. Connection strings means either you can define this database connection through the Microsoft control panel as well. Now this is the provided, this is a complete connection string, okay. Command type is table, it's not SQL, you can select SQL as well. Command text employees, and you can say do the export connection file as well. So this is how, in very simple method, this is how you can create the connection. And click here to see where the selected connections are being used. I mean, if you are having multiple worksheets, so on which worksheet this connection is being used, click on this one, and then it is showing sheet 1, name table underscore test.accdb, and this is a location of basically the cell range. So I hope this was very much easy. So by this way, now if you want to apply any formula as well, so of course for sure you can apply the formula now. And here as well, this is okay, we'll apply auto sum. So and here also, because the absolute reference is being used. Okay, so this is total 109 basic salary. So what happened actually, that when we are applying, remember one thing in my other sessions where we have discussed relative reference, absolute reference. Now once the data connection is there, and once you apply auto sum, so what it does, subtotal 109 comma basic salary. So basic salary, basically what it does, that basic salary is basically the field of the table. So here this auto sum is not referring to the cell range, but instead it is referring to the field of the table. So for this is very simple method to connect with the Access. And for this session, this is up to now. If you have any comments, let me know, and definitely we'll be having more sessions and in-depth detail that how can we connect, import the data from Microsoft Access through other ways. Have a great day ahead. Thank you very much.